This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Alright, hey guys. We have a new question here, how to change your WordPress time zone. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So first thing we want to do is log into your WordPress. We're going to log in here. And to find the time zone settings, you're going to want to go to settings down here and go to general. And if you scroll down here, it is right here, time zone. And actually, I don't have mine set right, so we will set it. Get it to Chicago here. And you can also change your date format here. You can change your time format if you want the lowercase PM or the uppercase. And we're going to save the changes. And if you go down here, you can see it is now set. That is how you change your WordPress time zone. Alright, thanks guys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.